So right now what we're doing is we are reviewing letters that we have done before. So we're reviewing letters that we've done before. That means we're going over ones that you've seen in the past. So first things first is I'm going to write my name. That way I know whose paper it is. You know it is yours. So I'm writing my name. And our first letter that we're going to go over today is the letter J. It's the letter J. So here's my uppercase J. So I'm going to follow my arrows and my numbers. So I just have one number this time. So it's just telling me to go down. And I'm going to follow the dotted lines and it's going to loop here. Now, sometimes you are going to see that the J has a hat on it like that. So on this paper, it doesn't have that hat on it, and that's okay. Sometimes you'll see a J like this. So this helps us to see how many different ways the J can be written down. So on this one, it is just the loop with no hat. So when I do it one more time, I'm going to go from the top, and I'm going the top down, and then I curve it around like that. So if I do it by myself, it looks like this. Curve here. And that is my J, my uppercase J. Now my lowercase j, this is one of those letters that goes underneath the bottom line. So normally when we get to that line, we stop. When it's the J, we're going to keep on going. So we're going to go from the middle, down and around, and then you have this dot at the top. So here I go, down to the bottom, and I keep going, and I loop it, and then they already have that dot for you, but you're going to put that dot there because they're not always going to be there for you. So I do it by myself. It looks like this, down past, and I loop it, and I put a dot on top. Now here's my pattern. Remember, it goes uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. So you're going to do an uppercase J, lowercase j, uppercase J, lowercase j. Just like this all the way to the back. So when you're finished with all of this, you can color in your jump rope. So it's a jump rope because it starts with that j sound for the letter J. So this is our page for today. Now you're going to see another video of me after this doing our next letter, and then there'll be a place where you can turn in your assignment. So do your best, guys. As always, we're not racing, taking your time, doing your best handwriting. You got this.